Oh yeah, 2020 is a year of the expert. If you have some life experience and knowledge, this year, James, I launched a new, I would say, a platform, a journey, and it's called Kitchen Table CEO. And it's just that. It is just more of taking your life experience and the knowledge that you had to be able to create generational wealth, because people are picking your brain all the time. They're asking you your opinion on things, and we just give it away and not thinking that you actually have something on the inside of you that many people want. You don't need 100,000 people to make $100,000 anymore. You need a handful of people that are willing to invest in themselves, and you take them on a journey. When I learned that, it changed the game for me. I was sharing with one of my colleagues that was in the military 28 years, and he was talking about he just written his book and he's doing all these and great things. And I said, if I would have known what I know now, and I've invested a lot, James, and I'm sure you have as well, invested a lot in my self-development, but also in the business that I saw for myself. Did I imagine one day it would be a multi-million-dollar business? Absolutely not. I just wanted to make $10,000. I wanted to replace the income from the military. And that began to happen not just by the month and by the week and by the hour. It was like, wow, I have my hands on something. If I'd have learned this years ago while I was active duty military, I probably would have gotten out early and not retired. So it happened at the right time, but I've learned so much about wealth, the difference in wealth and riches, and just really creating your own table. And I love the saying too, write your own check. When you're able to do that, no one can take that from you, and not even a pandemic.